Here's our baby pigs out for a stroll in the sun. Wound up with 7. We had 8, but one got laid on. That happens in farming. We had some lost. They're doing good. I think they are, what, 4 or 5 days old. But that's a mixture there. The father was a Duroc. We got a mixture of colors. Okay, here's a continuation of our pigs. This is a sow I raised last year. She's just a little over a year old. And these are her babies that you've seen in the beginning of this video. They will be 4 weeks old this Friday. Today is Wednesday. So in 2 more days. And look at the size of these babies. Now, I don't give iron shots or anything. If your piglets are put out on the dirt and sod, they don't need iron shots because they get enough minerals and iron from the dirt. But if anybody's interested in raising hogs, make sure you got a good fence, and you can figure on about 700 pounds per hog to raise it to butcher size. Right around 700 pounds. So I've got quite a few of these sold. They're running pretty good average, but these are mixed with Duroc in Hampshire. So there they are, 4 weeks old, just hammering. So it's about time for them to go. All right, there we go for the piglets.